I mean, she just went on and on. I was like, calm down. Sometimes things just don't turn out the way you want them to be. That's just the way life is. And besides, it's just pancakes.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today we're reading a very special book. This book is called BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO, and it's written by Michael Lyons. And we're gonna read it. And if you want to order it, you can click the link. So, how do you want to do this?
Oh, I don't know. How about you read AJIDAMOO and I'll read everything else?
All right, that sounds pretty good. All right. BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO by Michael Lyons. BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO. There's a sunrise there. All right, so you go ahead. I'll read AJIDAMOO and you read Jesus.
BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO.
BOOZHOO, Jesus.
BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO.
BOOZHOO, Gigi Gigi Ganashin. Gigi Gigi Ganashin. Chickadee.
BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO.
BOOZHOO, Mamengwa. Mamengwa. That's a butterfly. BOOZHOO, Esiban. BOOZHOO, Esiban. Esiban, a raccoon, and he's sleeping.
Huh? Oh, BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO.
Eh, eh.
BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO.
BOOZHOO, Andeg. The crow. Andeg.
BOOZHOO, AJIDA.
Oh, wow, look at that. There's a flying saucer. Bika! It says, wait, Bika! Hummingbird is flying after us, flying saucer. And AJIDAMOO says, oh, there's an alien and he's... you go ahead and read the alien.
BOOZHOO, Niji.
Aha!
BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO, Nenukasi, Indigenous. Nenukasi, Nenukasi, hummingbird is my name.
BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO, Indigenous gods. AJIDAMOO is my name.
Stephen, Indigenous. Stephen is my name. Majeda, let's go.
AJIDAMOO's thinking about it. I don't think hummingbird is too wild about the idea. Oh, he's saying, Majeda, let's go. And the hummingbird, he says, oh, you
AJIDAMOO, Gecko! AJIDAMOO, no! Or don't. AJIDAMOO, don't.
AJIDAMOO says, Igawabamin, Minawa. I'll see you later. Or I'll see you again. Oh, now they're flying out in space. Igawabamin, Aki. I'll see you, Earth. Goes by the moon. Igawabamin, Ibik, Jesus. Ibik, Jesus. It's the moon. And he says, oh, really out there? And then he swings around. Oh, he's coming back. He says, BOOZHOO, Ibik, Jesus. Hello, moon. Hello, night sun. BOOZHOO, Ibik, Jesus. And he sees the earth and he says, BOOZHOO, Aki. BOOZHOO, Aki. Hello, earth. Oh, and now he's being teleported. And AJIDAMOO says, oh, miigwech. Thank you. Oh, miigwech. Oh, is like, oh, really? Thank you. Thank you very much. He says, Igawabamin, Stephen. I'll see you, Stephen. Stephen waves back and he says, Igawabamin, AJIDAMOO. Igawabamin, AJIDAMOO. I'll see you, squirrel. And there's a flying saucer, and AJIDAMOO says, oh, he just had a big trip. There you have it. BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO by Michael Lyons. I don't know, what'd you think of that?
I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah, me too. Michael Lyons, he sure knows how to draw a picture. Alright, well, hey, I just want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO. And if you want to order a copy, just click the link and sale on Amazon.com. Alright, you got anything you want to add to this, sweetie?
Nah.
Okay, well, hey, in that case, I will see you again. Igawabamin, Minawa, Hoa.